Hey guys, thank you for coming to my channel. We're just going to get straight into the video. I am going in and doing my eyebrows. I will put all the products in the description box, but I am just outlining my eyebrows with my pomade, my eyebrow pomade, and then I just fill them in. As I get towards the front, I just kind of feather it to kind of make it look like hairs. I just do little strokes going up so that it looks like a more natural brow. Now I'm going to use my Pro Concealer to just clean up my brow. I kind of just outline my brow with it to clean up any mistakes that I've made, and also it highlights your eyebrow. Now I'm just blending and evening out my concealer. Now to cover up my dark under eyes and to highlight under my eye, I'm going in with my Tarte concealers. It's Double Duty Beauty and Shape Tape, I do believe. And they're two different shades. One is 42S, which is tan sand, and the other one is 36S, medium tan sand. And I use two different shades because I put the lighter in the inner corner of my eye and I put the darker shade on the outer corner so that it can blend with my skin. And that way I'm just highlighting my under eye. Sometimes if you put the lighter concealer on the outer corner, it doesn't blend very well with the rest of your makeup. Now I'm just taking my brush. I like to use this brush. I'm trying to think of what the name is. I think it's a setting brush. So usually you would use it kind of for setting powders, but I really love this brush to blend out my concealer. And I also use, and it's by Real Technique. I also use Real Technique 241, and it's a seamless complexion that really helps melt it into my skin. Now it's time for the banana powder. This is just a setting powder. You want to definitely do this after you apply your concealer because it stops all the creases, because when you put concealer on, your makeup will crease up if you do not put setting powder on. So definitely do that immediately after, and that way you won't get under eye creases. Then I'm just going to go in with the setting brush and just dust the rest off of my face. So as you can see, your girl is trying to get every bit of her money's worth with my foundation. I am down to the bottom, but there's still some down there. I am using the Stay Naked by Urban Decay. It's a weightless liquid foundation up to 24 hours of wear. I love this foundation. This is one of my favorite foundations and it lasts a very long time, so I'm getting all of it out of that bottle. Okay, now I have one of my favorite products from Juvias Place. This is a bronzer. It's bronzed tan palette, and I just really love this to contour my face and trust the process, because I know you guys was like, man, you're looking a little pale there. Just trust the process. This is my favorite shade from this line. Okay, this part is completely optional. I do this because, as you can see, I got a double chin. You know, your girl trying to lose weight so the fat face can go. So I kind of do this to kind of hide my double chin, to kind of give me a contoured, skinnier face look, and kind of just shading the spots that I don't want seen as much. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with my Anastasia bronzer, powder bronzer in the mahogany shade. I just go over all the spots I just went over with the other bronzer. I really love these two bronzers together. You do not have to do this. I just like these two together. Now I'm just contouring my nose with one of the bronzers. I like to keep it the same to kind of give it that even look. I don't want too many shades and colors on my face. This is completely optional too. This kind of gives your nose a smaller look. And it also kind of just gives definition to your nose. It's completely up to you if you want to do this. I don't do this every time, but every now and then I just like a more contoured look. Now don't forget to blend that so you will get rid of the harsh lines and it will look more natural. Now I'm just taking, I think it's like a blush brush, and I am just blending my contour in so I can get rid of the harsh lines and it can look more natural. Now I like to use my other bronzer. It's the Bronze Show by Morphe, and I just put this all over my face. I just truly feel like this just blends all the shades together. It just might be me, but I really feel like it blends all the shades and gives me this super natural look, which I'm going for. All right, this palette is by Too Faced. It's Better Than Chocolate. This is one of my favorite palettes. I am going to use the shade Nice Buns and also the shade Lick the Bowl. I love those shades. I feel like it complements my skin very well. And lately I haven't been putting a lot of color on my eyelids. I just been going for just a lighter kind of natural look, and this is just my everyday makeup look that normally if I'm going somewhere but I still want to look cute, I'm going to do this. Now I'm just blending that shade in, and I'm going up as I'm blending just so it can also get closer by my brow, and that way I don't have to use too many colors. Okay, you know I'm always saying these are my favorite products, but this is truly one of my favorite flesh highlighters, Lift. And I am truly using my favorite products. So these are my everyday products that I use on my face. And as you can see, I'm just kind of highlighting under my brow in the corner. And it just a little bit. It is so natural looking. A lot of highlighters stand out a lot more, and I really don't like that highlighted look right there. So this just gives me that natural highlight look with kind of like a rose color to it, and it's just beautiful. I'm also using this above my lips. I always do this. I really feel like it kind of highlights and makes my lips stand out. So this is completely optional. This is just something I do. And I also use the highlighter on my nose. So now I'm going in with the Professional Super Setter Setting Spray. I love this setting spray too. It's by Benefit. I like this because I don't know how many setting sprays you guys have used. Sometimes you might use dewy or matte setting sprays. And I learned, like, especially with the matte setting spray, you can't use too much or your face will like cake up. And this one is not a matte. It really has, it makes my face look still hydrated but not too oily, and I just love it because it doesn't cake up my makeup either. Okay, now I'm using the Watch Me blush by the Crayon case, and I am using the shade Strawberry Cream. Okay, so you know it wouldn't be my video if I didn't advertise my It's Giving Vibz Rose Gold Lip Oil. This is a color changing lip oil. It will change darker pink as you leave it on your lips, and also you can wipe it off and it will still have the color. So it is a lip tint and it will still keep your lips moisturized. So many people love my color changing lip glosses and my lip oil. It keeps your lips moisturized. It still gives you that pink look. If you're the type of person that wipes their lips a lot or licks their lips a lot, you can apply this, leave it on for a little bit so it can tint your lips, and then you can wipe it off and you don't have to worry about smearing any lip oil or lip gloss on your lips. Also, yes, it does have real rose petals in it. And I just want to share the benefits of rose petals. So for your lips, it's very hydrating for your lips. It also lightens your lips, and it is very nourishing because it contains a lot of natural oils and antioxidants that can nourish your lips, removing dead skin cells too. So get your lip gloss today. I will put the link in the description box, and go ahead and check out It's Giving Vibz. I have many different shades. I also have pigmented lip glosses, and that is an upcoming business, so I will be adding a lot more to my store in the future. Now I'm just showing it on my arm. It kind of goes on clear with a little pink tint, and it just gets darker as you leave it on. And then when you feel like it's at your desired shade, you can then wipe it off and use it as a lip tint. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit that subscribe button and also hit the bell so you'll be notified of any upcoming videos. Don't forget to check out It's Giving Vibz. Link will be in the description box, and I will see you guys in my next video. See you later.